All right, everybody. Totally buenos dias. Welcome to another traveling Costa Rica vlog here on YouTube. This is part 7, the final part in our backpacking trip from Costa Rica into Nicaragua. In this video series, we left from Liberia, Costa Rica, and headed north, stopping at some locations in Nicaragua. You can check the playlist for those videos. The link is in the description below. In the last video, part 6, we stopped at a town called Potosí and did a little walkie-talkie tour there. So that was a fun trip heading up towards this bay in northwestern Nicaragua. In this video, we're heading right back to Liberia. So we're going to one-shot this whole trip. We're going to speed run the trip back from Potosí to Chinandega. It was basically the same bus trip as we've already done, but in reverse. We'll stop back in Managua and do a little walking tour around a mall and get back on the bus heading to Costa Rica. So in this video, we will do the border of Nicaragua into Costa Rica. I'll show you guys how to navigate that. And then we'll land back in Liberia. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel right here on YouTube and check the link in the description below or scan the link on screen with your phone. It'll take you to my Amazon store where you can find the stuff that I find very useful while I'm traveling in Costa Rica and for this trip in Nicaragua. All right, so we speed run back to Managua on the bus. It's pretty much the same bus routes. I got off the coach bus from Chinandega right over there, and the Tica Bus I'm catching about 5 blocks that way. So that's the Tica Bus stop. So you can see if you walk a few blocks over this direction, you'll be back downtown. So we did the video down there where I got the motorcycle in-drive guy, the Uber, and he took me down there. We did a full walking tour down there. But this is a really cool overpass. This pedestrian bridge rather. I didn't know it was here per se. Just saw it when I got off the bus. You can see the lake from here. And this is one of the main rotundas, I guess, going downtown. Now there's a lot of shopping over here and plaza, stuff like that. I'm gonna go check out this shopping center because I got about 3 hours to burn until the Tica Bus arrives to head back to the border. So look at this, it's cool. A lot of these little motorcycle rickshaws going by. I'll try to get a video of that. That's cool. They're doing like deliveries, they're taking people and everything. What else we got going on here? Very breezy here right now, very breezy. And luckily no rain as we're walking around. So yeah, I'll just go up in here and maybe get a hot coffee or something. Hot coffee or something. And then we're heading back to Costa Rica. All right, on the Tica Bus from Managua to San Jose. I'm getting off in Liberia, of course. Check this out. This is like a bit more luxury. These are like leather pleather seats, so comfy. And this one's got a TV on it. The same situation. We got a bathroom here at the back. Now these Tica buses are cold, man. They run the AC cold. So bring a sweater if you're taking the Tica Bus for sure. And then next stop is the border of Nicaragua and Costa Rica.
A few hours later.
All right, and we are out of Nicaragua exit immigration right there. So you pay $3 only. Don't try to use Cordoba there. It's only dollars. And now I guess we're getting back on the bus and heading over to Costa Rica immigration. You can see still people showing up, lots of trucks here. I think trucks are just like a constant thing here, I have to assume. So let's continue on.
Literally so quick later.
Really quick, that was fairly quick. There's nobody in line here. This is a brand new building. We saw this when we were coming through in the daytime, tracking into Nicaragua. So don't forget your onward ticket. Don't forget your exit ticket when you come through. One of the guys on the bus here forgot his departure ticket because he has kind of an open itinerary, and I had to help him get sorted out. You need to get your exit ticket when you enter Costa Rica. Remember that. All right, and we have arrived pretty much where we came from. That's where the trip pretty much started, right at that intersection. So this is where it ends. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that bus trip up through Nicaragua. I know I'm certainly gassed, but it was a good time. Got a lot of good shots and saw some cool stuff in Nicaragua. Be sure to hit like, hit subscribe right here on YouTube for more videos traveling around Costa Rica. If you want to see any other places, hit me up in the comments as well. Thanks for watching. Bye now.